everybody, welcome to today's video. Today we'll be making this awesome Rubik's Cube. So what we're going to need to do first is going to go create a new file, and then over here we have our original cube. So we're going to go and use two different things that we learned, the bevel tool and the coloring tool, and also the cut tool. So go in here, tab, make sure you're in edge mode, control B, scroll up, and that's 2. Then you're going to color it here. Make sure you select down, then go to face select, take out all these faces here, and then we're going to go and assign it. And if we look at this, the whole entire thing is black. And so what we're going to need to do now is we're going to go and search up a Rubik's Cube. So make sure you search up a Rubik's Cube flat, and we're going to use this picture. So make sure you save that image, add, make sure on top view, add image reference, nice. So GX. So this is how it basically is. The top part, so follow along with the model. The top part is here, and make sure you're in face select. The top part is white, assign. Bottom part is yellow, assign. The left part is over here, is orange, assign. On the other side is red, and then in the front is green. On this side it is going to be blue, and assign it. Now if we go here, you see that we have a 1x1 Rubik's Cube. And for this video, we're going to be doing a 3-on-3, as you can see in this picture. So right here, we're going to go here, control R, scroll up 1, escape, control R, escape, control R, escape, and then now I'm gonna go here, 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 go and just go and control B to bevel the lines. Make them as big as you want. You can't make them as big or else you have a ruined Rubik's Cube. And don't make them too big as they fit the whole entire cube. Just make it look here. Then we're going to go here and make them black. Then as you can see, we have a Rubik's Cube, but something looks off. What is it? Oh yeah, it's the centerpieces. I mean, look at this. Huh? Where's the other green top? So we're going to go and fix that. Is going here and start putting them to their original color. And yellow. And we have our finished Rubik's Cube. If you want this to look low poly, this is perfect. If you want it to look high poly, just shade smooth, and this looks perfect. Thank you for watching today's video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos. And in the next video, I'll be showing you how to make a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. See you in the next video.